how to fix YouTube MiniPlayer turns off for my YouTube video is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by showing you that on this one of my channels, the first video, we'll click that. Now, as you can see, it's playing, it's moving. Now, once we swipe down, it says MiniPlayer is off for your videos, made for kids. Tap play to resume. Click the play button, it goes big again. Now, how do we change this? We change this by going to our channel, home, click our channel, click YouTube Studio. Now we sadly can only do this for our own videos, which is pretty sad. Click the three dots, click edit video. There is no solution for this to fix the YouTube MiniPlayer turns off the video for other people's video yet that I know of. But for yours, when you're in the edit video, you want to click yes, it's made for kids, which is the reason why the MiniPlayer won't play. You change this to no, it's not made for kids. Go back, save in the top right. Now, what you want to do is go back to your YouTube account. Now, go back to your YouTube, your channel. Now, click the video again. Now it's playing. Now let's swipe down, and it continues to play the video. I hope this could fix your problem. I'm sorry I couldn't tell you a solution to the problem with other people's videos, but that's an update for the YouTube Kids COPPA solution, and the YouTube MiniPlayer got an update preventing you from viewing those videos. I hope I could help you out. If this video did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.